All right, guys, in today's video, we are gonna be talking about how to make the front look absolutely perfect. You know, I have seen people where they just do the front of their hair and the back of it kind of looks like crap. Anyways, if you're doing that, you know, you're still surviving. You're doing about 50% of the work, which is all right. But anyways, so let's start this right now. So before I begin, this mannequin head, I already just blow dry this to really kind of finish this up. This is kind of the effect I'm going for. You can see kind of how smooth and flat it is right through here. And then I just kind of kicked out some of these ends like right through here to kind of get that, to have a nice kind of curtainish look. This would be a great kind of side swept look, you know, if you have like a full fringe, whatever. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's kind of show how this is gonna work. Okay, first thing you guys wanna do, as I actually clipped up the rest of this hair, as you can see, it's really just the front. It's this front kind of quadrant, and it kind of has this like little triangle right through here. So I re-wet this, and I'm actually gonna start to blow dry this down. This is super, super important. So I'm gonna be using a Mason Pearson style brush. It's got dual bristles, it's got nylon and bore, just like that. And so I'm going to really start to kind of push this left and right. Now that I get done with that, okay, I really am just working this first zone, which is gonna be that first kind of like 1 to 2 inches. Now what I wanna do is I'm actually gonna take a little bit of a round brush in here. Now there are different angles that you can put a round brush, all right? So this is gonna be horizontal, diagonal, and then vertical, just like this, right? We're gonna be working from diagonal to vertical, just like that. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna start by taking this section right through here. So now that I've already worked that root area, I can work these mid area. And as you guys can kind of see, you can start to see how this really starts to roll back. The first area right through here, I'm really directing all this hair down. Then I take this and I start to direct this back. I'm gonna take another little section just like this. As you guys can kind of start to see how this is actually really starting to roll back just like that. Okay, now we're gonna be working this angle just like this. Now taking this side. Now a lot of times when I actually go to stand in through here, I'm gonna stand over here on this side. The thing I really want you guys to pay attention to is you can see how no matter what, right? The first portion of this really needs to be blow dried down just like that, because we do not want a lot of height up through this area. But really what we're trying to do is in that second quadrant, as we start to put that round brush in there, we really want to create that bend right through that area. And we were working diagonally and then we were working vertically just like that to help create this really nice kind of flow back with that fringe area, guys, which is really kind of fun. When it comes down to finishing this off, guys, you know, I'm really gonna kind of come in here. Now this specific fringe, this is actually like longer than the fringe that I showed you before, but the technique is still going to be the same when it comes down to finishing this off, guys. Because the thing that you have to understand is that you can actually see kind of how that curtain really kind of starts to roll back just like that. And her hair is a little bit longer right through here, kind of keeps falling out, which is actually all good. But look and see, like I'm actually gonna kind of take this out. But look how kind of fun this looks. Like the rest of this is not finished off at all. That's why I say, guys, which is so funny, if you can make that front look really cute and that back is just kind of like, meh, you know, let's kind of look at it like this. You're like, I didn't really do anything with my hair back through here, but look how good I look just like that, guys. So if you guys found value in really what I was showing you today, which is basically how to get the front perfect, honestly, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Links below with everything I used. Well, actually, you know what? That's actually kind of funny. Let's go back to that because my brush isn't done. I use my brush. It's not done. I think I've talked about this before. Everybody's like, when's your brush gonna be done? You know what? supply chain problems, you know. Actually, you know what's kind of funny? I emailed them this morning and they're having COVID issues over there in China. Yeah, I don't even know what to do about that. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next, you know what? I forgot to even say, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm losing it, man. I am losing it. Guys, I will see you guys in the next video.